Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Windows 10 operating system totally without losing any data. So if you are using Windows 10 machine and it's not working according to your expectation, this may be one of the solution you might want to try without losing any data. So let's see how we can reset our Windows 10 without losing any data. So for that, what you need to do is you need to just click on the Start button here, Windows Start button, and then choose the Settings option. And then in the settings, you need to choose this option, which says Update and Security. And under this section, you need to choose this option, which says Recovery OK. So here you have two options. One is Reset this PC, and other is Advanced Startup Settings. So we want to factory reset our Windows 10 operating system. So we are going to choose the first option. Now, if you want to read this text says, if your PC isn't running well, resetting might help. This lets you to choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. So that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to just click on Get Started here. And now you have two options. So if you are selling your computer, or if you want to give your PC to somebody else, then you can choose this option after backing up your files into a hard drive or somewhere else at a safe place. And then you can choose this option, which says Remove Everything, which is going to remove every piece of software which you have installed or you have saved on your Windows 10, and it's going to just give you the fresh installation of Windows 10. Now, if you want to just reset the PC, keeping all the files, then you might want to choose this option. And then in this video, we are going to choose this option because we want to factory reset our Windows 10 operating system if some problem is coming in the operation of Windows 10, right? So I'm going to just say keep my files here, and then it's going to just look all the softwares inside your Windows 10. And now I can see this window which says ready to reset this PC. Resetting PC will change setting back to their default, keep personal files, remove all apps and programs. So before moving forward, just read everything carefully. And at any point, if you feel like you don't want to go ahead, then click on the Cancel button. Right now, if you want to see which programs or apps will be removed, you can click on this option. So I'm going to just click on this option, and you can see the list of all the programs which will be removed from my Windows operating system. So these are all the softwares which I have installed after just running my Windows 10 PC for the first time, right? So Audacity, for example, or Google Chrome, or all these other softwares I have installed manually after I have started using this Windows 10 operating system. So you can see the list of all the items which will be removed. So I'm good with this. I can go back here, and then I can just click on the Reset button, which is going to start the process of resetting at this point. It's good to note this also that this will take a while and your PC will restart few times. So be prepared to just let your PC restart by itself, power it to a power source, because it might take 2 to 3 hours to reset your PC to the newer state. Right, so I'm going to just click on the Reset button, which is going to give this window that says preparing to reset this PC. It will restart automatically, right? So everything will happen automatically after this point. You just need to leave your computer at the safe place where it won't turn off due to the lack of battery or something, right? So just wait for some time. So now I can see that my PC is restarting. So I will not do anything. I will just leave it as it is. And now it says resetting this PC. And now this resetting has been started. So I will wait for this process to complete. And after some time, I see this kind of window that says installing Windows. Don't turn your PC. This will take a while. Your PC will restart several times. So now at this point, it's asking me to give my Windows 10 password. So I'm going to just give my Windows 10 password and then press enter. And it's going to start from the beginning. So it's going to install all the fresh Windows softwares and drivers and everything. So at this point, also you might want to wait for some time until this process complete. And now my Windows 10 operating system has been resetted. So when I go to my files and folders, I will see all the files and folders which were already present, so no important files will be deleted, and all the partitions will be the same, and the only thing which we have done is we have reset it over. Windows operating system. So this is how you can factory reset your Windows operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.